Chinmaya book of Vedic chants. All of you got it, I guess, except for one or two. Prakash, you got it?
Oh, I
you
got
have Mantra Pushpam. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, you got Mantra Pushpam? Good.
Also, I have them. And I have your Telugu notes also.
Oh, good. Okay, we'll chant 3 Oms. Who's Galaxy 17? I don't know because I don't know if I can admit. Who is Galaxy 17? Nobody you know, right?
Hari Om.
Hari Om Shiv. Galaxy. Maybe Galaxy could be the phone. Samsung.
So, Chandrasekhar, my name is repeated. It's not going, but I also see you as 3 entries.
Yeah, I have my cell phone also, just in case if there is a problem. I kept it,
Sure. Okay, I don't know where that's coming from. I didn't click anything. If you, being a host, I think you can expel that that entry.
Oh. But it's not giving me that option, sir.
Oh.
Oh, Galaxy. Who is Hari Om? Who is Galaxy 17? J7. Okay.
Hari Om, Shekhar, Indivar here.
Oh, Indivar, Hari Om.
Hari Om, that's me.
I didn't know whether to admit you. Okay, fine. Let's start. It's already 7 minutes delay. Can we take 10 more minutes today, maybe because of the delay? Is it okay with everybody?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay, right?
Yeah.
You must switch on your video.
Sorry? Somebody said something?
No, Shekhar, go ahead.
Om Shuklam Varadaram Vishnu Shashivarnam Chaturбhujam Prasannawadanam Dhyayet Sarva Vignopashantaye. Om Shri Mahaganadhipataye Namaha. Om Shri Saraswati Namaha. Sadashivasamarambham Shankaracharyamadhyamam Asmadacharyaparyantam Vande Guru Paramparam. Guru Brahma Guru Vishnu Guru Devo Maheshwara Gurureva Parabrahma Tasmai Shri Gurave Namah. Chinmayam Vyapi Yat Sarvam Trailokyam Sacharacharam Tatpadam Darshitam Yena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namah. Okay. So all of you, most of us are from Mission, Chinmaya Mission. So we have some familiarity, I guess, with some kind of a chanting, I hope. If not any of the Suktam, but Gita chanting, definitely, we all do. Right? Last month we had the competition, 18th chapter. Right? So what we'll do is, since this is the first day, and some of you definitely are new to Vedic chanting, right? How many? At least 3 or 4 or 5 maybe, right? Yeah. So we'll go over.
Shekhar.
Yeah.
Can you let me in again?
Sure.
I joined through another device.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So we'll go over a few rules of Vedic chanting. Overwhelm you with all the rules, but better to know certain basic rules, right? Since we are in mission and Gita chanting anyway, I mean Gita, most of the rules are you must be knowing. But then the only difference between, of course, the Smriti Granthas, where we do shlokas, but this is Shruti, right? Veda. So the only difference could be your swaras, right? So we'll go over that. And then since we'll be doing Purusha Suktam, we'll also have a little bit of introduction. I don't know if you have seen Gurudev's book, Notes, Universal Person, Notes from Swami Chinmayananda. It was a very old publication, in 60s, I guess. So we'll do a little bit of a meaning maybe, if not in depth. This is not a study group kind of a setting, so we'll let most of the emphasis on chanting, learning how to chant, right? But we'll do a little bit of meaning. I hope you have this book too, right? And those who are following English should be very, again, specifically those who are following English version. I need to tell you what the transliteration is, how to pronounce the varnas, the swaras, right? Okay, let's go from this book itself. We'll see some of the rules. What? Okay, let's say in Taittiriya Upanishad, right? Page 73, it says the first Shikshavalli, right? It lists certain the signs of phonetics, the Shiksha Shastra, right? Shiksham Yakyasyamaha Varnaswaraha Matra Balam Samasantanaha Ityukta Shiksha, right? So this is the Shiksha, signs of phonetics, right? Varna, first one, this is Varna, right? So in Sanskrit, I have this page here. Okay, I don't know if I should have shared it with you guys. Okay, just wanted to show you what the swara and the vyanjana combination would be, right? The vargiya vyanjanas and the avargiya, right? So, but then I will share it with you. Maybe just wanted to keep it with me. Right? So, unlike English, there is a perfect one-to-one correspondence between what is written and what is pronounced, the sound, right? So that is varna. Then swaraha we'll see. So this varna is important. So let's see here in this. If you see the vyanjanas, the consonants, right? The kantya, kakha, gagha, nya, and the talavya, cha cha, ja ja, nya, right? The cerebrals, the murdanya, ta ta, da da, nya, ta ta, da da, na, pa pa, ba bha, ma. And then those are vargiya vyanjanas, like ka varga, cha varga, ta varga, ta varga, pa varga, kuchu, tu, tu, pu varga, right? And then there's avargiya, ya, ra, la, va, sha, sha, sa. So since this introduction, we need to know how to pronounce these. And then of course, there is this swaraha, a, I, right? U, r, l. Okay? Now, where the sound should come, let's say kantyaha, from throat, ka, ka, ga, ga, nya, as if from the throat, right? Talavya for the palate, cha, cha, ja, ja, nya, right? The tip of the tongue is touching the palate, the front of the palate, right? Cha, cha, ja, ja, nya. And then the murdhanya, tha, tha, da, dha, ana, right? As if the tongue is rolling towards you into the throat. The dentals, danta, ta, ta, da, da, na, right? And then the labials, the ostya, pa, pa, ba, bha, ma. Okay? Those, that is varnaha. Then swaraha. Sanskrit, that is very important now for us, for this class, since some of you at least are new to this. There is a marking, right? If you see in English or maybe in Sanskrit or even Telugu, those are following Telugu, there is an underscore, right? And then there is one perpendicular line, and then there are two perpendicular lines, and then there is no line at all, right? So this underscore is called anudatta, right? And the base where there is nothing is indicated, udatta. Of course, there is a little bit of some people say the other way also, but then let's follow one convention. So udatta, just the base, okay? Anudatta, the line below the akshara, underscore. And then the one vertical line above the akshara is swarita, okay? Swarita. And then two perpendicular lines, two vertical lines above the akshara could be dirgha swarita, okay?
So,
Dirgha swarita.
so how to pronounce like anudatta?
Yeah, I'll let you know. So this intonation, right? What we call, some people call it pitch. So lower swara, upper swara, no swara, neutral, and then to the dirgha swarita. Let's say sahana hotu, we all know, right? First, I don't know if you okay, open sahana hotu maybe in the book, we'll see. Any page you have. From Narayana Suktam, page 53. There's under sa, there is a line below sa. So, saha, 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 right? Saha. Na, there is a vertical line about na, right? Sahana, sahana. Okay. Of course, when you initially have to say loudly, we should not. It is all sound. The volume is same, but then there is the intonation. Sahana, vavatu, vavatu. It is neutral. No change in the swara. Okay. Sahana, vavatu, sahanau, sahanau. Under now, there's a swarita, right? Bhunaktu, bhunaktu, sahana vavatu, sahanau bhunaktu, sahaviryang, sahaviryang karavavahai, right? Sahaviryang karavavahai. So under again, sa, there is a anudatta. Ha, again, no mark. Viryam karavavahai. Do you see any difference? I am saying Viryam karavavahai or Viryam karavavahai. That is under rule we'll see. That is Anuswara rule. Okay, but since we are doing this for us, let's focus on that for now, right? And then under Te and Ja, there are Anudattas, lower swara. Tejasvina, Tejasvinavadhitamastu. And there is consecutive lower swaras. The next one, of course, the second or third one should be still lower. That is a convention. So te lower swara, ja also lower. So always when it is a consecutive lower swaras, the last one should be consecutively low. You have to, as if you bring it still lower. You have to chant like that. Tejasvina, like that. Okay. Tejasvina, Tejasvina. Under na there is a anudatta, right? Tejasvina vadhitamastu. Right? Vadhita. Under Swarita dhi. Vadhitamastu. Mavid Vishavahai. Under hai, Dirgha Swarita, 2 vertical lines, right? Getting it? Good. Because we need a little bit of detail because the whole Veda is this swaras only. The other rules, once we start the Suktam, I will point out what that rule is, like Anuswara rule or the Visarga rule. We'll see as we move on. Okay? You got the drift of it? I mean, a little bit of it.
Can I ask you, what's the difference between 1 vertical and 2 vertical again?
So 1 vertical is called Swarita, higher Swara, and 2 vertical is called Dirgha Swarita. So you have to build up an elongation of the Swarita. Mavid Vishavahai. Okay. Mavid Vishavahai. Okay, we can take, in Purusha Suktam itself, the Shanti Mantra. Let's say, Om Tachayora Vrunimahe Gatum Yagnaya Gatum Yagnapataye Daivi Swastirastunah Swastir Manushebhyah Urvanjigatu Beshajam Shanno Astu Dvipade Shanchatushpade Shanno Astu Dvipade Shanchatushpade, like that. Dvipade. You see that? I'm looking at Purusha Suktam, the Shanti Mantra in verse 45, page 45. Got it? So those, I mean, it's better to know in the beginning how to use those, how to change the pitch or the tone, intonation, lower swara, no swara, upper swara, double upper swara. Okay. So you must be hearing the Suktams, the Vedic chanting, the temples if you are not used to it. See, that's how it is. Okay. What was the next one in the Taittiriya? Right? Varnaha, Swaraha, Matra. Right? Matra, the time taken to pronounce the measure of the length of the vowel, like Rasva, Dirgha, Pluta. Rasva is 1 unit of time. Maybe that's Rasva. Dirgha, 2 units of time. Okay. Pluta, 3. Pluta, we might not come across much, but that's okay. So 1 unit of time, Matra, it's called. So these are the vowels, the length of time taken. Okay? That we will see as we go, as we chant. Matra, Balam. Right? Balam is the effort or the emphasis or the stress in uttering the letter. Like in this page, we see Some are alpa prana, some are mahaprana, right? Like ka. Ka is mahaprana. So aspirate. So we expel some air when we see that. Ka, ka, ga, nya, like that. Right? And all the sibilants are usmana, sha, 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 sa, they are also mahaprana. So we'll see as we go along. The effort, right, applied in uttering that letter. Some are hard, some are soft consonants. Okay. What else? Balam, sama. Sama is samatvam, let's say, evenness. You should not clumsily utter words, not to drag too much. Leave chanting apart. Of course, there are certain rules in how to pause at certain places. When there is a samyukta akshara, samyukta vyanjana, right? It's called a combination of consonants, right? Samyukta. So there, a little bit of a pause is required. We'll see. I don't want to overwhelm too much of rules, right? Samyukta vyanjana, or when there is a dirgha followed by another swara, another acha, or vowel, a little bit of a pause is required, right? So, sama, santa, what is the next one? The Taittiriya Santana, right? These sandhi rules, of course, that we will anyway follow. What kind of a we don't need to know what is guna sandhi or savarna dirgha sandhi or yana sandhi. No, not required to know the details, but we'll know when we're chanting. We'll definitely come across those, right? Sama, santana. That's it. Okay, those are some of the rules, basic ones. We'll see in detail as we go along. Right? But anudatta, udatta, swarita, dirgha swarita, keep it in mind. Okay? The same book came across some doshas. Some Advayanandaji pointed out a few of the defects. Chanting as though it is a song, Geeti. It's called Geeti. If you see page number in the introduction, I think introduction page, preface 1, 2, 3, 4th. Chant. You should not, when you're like Gayatri Mantra, some people have made it a song, right? Maybe that's fine, but we should not. That's a dosha. Okay? It's a defect. They are not to be set to musical ragas. That's what Swamiji says, Advayanandaji. Hurrying up, right? You should not hurry. Take your time to pronounce each and every sound properly. Okay, don't swallow the sounds. Shaking of the head, shirakkampi. It's called shaking of the head. Says shirakkampi. When the swaras come, upper swara comes. Let's say, right? When the upper swara comes, don't say like this. When the lower swara comes, don't say like that. That is also, but in the beginning, maybe you might have the tendency to do it, but let's not get into that habit. Okay? Even the sound also we should not raise the right. Sahana, no, same sound. It is not sound. It's not volume. It is swara. Okay? Some people say they raise the voice when the upper swara comes. To begin with, while learning, maybe you can, but then don't get into that habit. Okay? Shaking of shirakkampi and chanting it from a written, of course, we can't avoid that. Chanting it from a written text. We are supposed to memorize the Vedas, right? But then that we can't avoid now because we are starting late, right? Maybe Pranav can do everything from memory if he starts now. Right, Pranav?
Yeah.
chanting without knowing the meaning, right? That also we will try to, of course, we'll see a little bit of a meaning. This is not a study group, as I said. So we'll, as we go along, we'll see the meaning. Because if you don't know them, of course, we are. Finally, it's all jnanam, right? Just if you don't know the meaning, of course, it's punyam, of course, as they say, adrushtam. But that punyam will not convert for kamya karma as something as a sakama, but we'll make it nishkama. We'll convert that into a adrushta punyam into drushta jnana phalam, we can say. Okay, we'll use it for our chitta shuddhi. If you don't know the meaning, but then we have to know the meaning. Jnanena evatu kaivalyam, right? So it is only through jnanam that we get to the highest stage, right? So we learn the meaning. Last one, chanting in a thin voice. Here again, there is a problem. So the learning, at least be loud, not too loud, but to be loud is good by learning. When you are alone, murmuring is fine. Okay, so those are the 6 doshas mentioned in the book here. Okay, any questions up till now? Are we fine? Okay, that much introduction I believe is enough. Anuswara rule, Visarga rule, I'll tell you as we move along. Because maybe since we are there, the Anuswara, whenever there is an Anuswara, that Anuswara changes to the nasal of its class. When I say nasal of its class, let's say after Anuswara there is a Ka. In its class, in the Ku Varga, right? Gutturals, Kantya. What is the nasal Nya, right? In the Cha Varga, nasal is Nya, right? So in Tha Varga, nasal is Ana. That is a nasal. The Anunasika Swara, Vyanjanas, Anunasika, right? So that we will see whenever there is a Visarga and then followed by Ka. So you must have seen, right? Not Visarga, sorry. Did I say Visarga? It is Anuswara. What did you say? Sahaviryam karavava. On Viryam, there is a Anuswara, the dot, right? And then followed by Ka. So what did we say? Instead of saying Sahaviryam karavavahai, what it would be? Because the nasal in that class would be, since the Ka has come, it converts to Sahaviryam. Because the Ka, the nasal of its class, the Anunasika Vyanjana in that class, the Ku Varga is right? And then if there is a Cha Varga, in the Cha, if the Cha, Cha, Ja, Ja comes, it changes to Nya, like that. Okay. If it is Pa, Pa, Ba, Ba, it doesn't have it because Ma, it is Ma. The nasal is Ma only. So there is no. Okay. So that's another rule, maybe. If you are better to, if you are noting it down, that's fine. So that it's easy to remember. Actually, we should record it so that you will have for your next, because practice is very important. Okay. In Saturday, when we meet again, you should have practiced whatever we have covered. Because unless you practice, you will not retain. Absorption should be there. Retention also should be there. The retention factor is from the practice. At least daily 20 minutes. Since we are new, daily 20-30 minutes also is fine. Okay. Visarga rules also we will see, where Visarga means Visarjaniya, but then there are some places we should not. In Gita also we see, right? Advesta sarva bhutanam maitra karuna maitra. After maitra there is a Visarga, and then ka maitra. It is called Jivha Mulya, right? Maitra Karuna Evacha Nirmamo Nirahankaraha Samadukha Sukha Kshami. Many of us say Samadukha Sukha Kshami. Most of us say that, but no, because there is a Kshakara after Visarga. Sukha completely we have to pronounce. In such one of the instances where you have to pronounce that Visarga in between. Sukha Kshami, not Sukha Kshami. That is one instance. The Visarga rule. And when there is a Visarga followed by a Pa, we should pronounce with F, like Purnamadaf, Purnamadaf, Purnamidam, like that. That F, Fa has to come. Okay? After Purnamadaha, Visarga, and then another Pa has come, Purnamadaf. That is called Upadmaniya. So, sorry, again, I'm too many rules. First day, right? Let's say now move to the next. So what we're doing is Purusha Suktam, just one or two words on, of course, Purusha Suktam. Suktam is one that which is well said. Sustuktam, of course. Purusha, you know Purusha. What is Purusha? me. Is it me? Everybody, right? Purusha, Puri, Shete, right? Puri, Shete. Puri is this town, this city. Which city? Is it Keria, Raleigh, Durga? Puri, Shete, Purusha. Okay. Or Purnatva Purusha also they say. Or Purayati is everywhere. So the Puri is me, this body, this town, like Navadvare Puri. In Gita we have in 5th chapter, Navadvare Puri, this city with the 9 holes, right? In that, so adult satsang we have seen, right? Of course, are you seeing Guruji's Kathopanishad class? Anybody? Kathopanishad, a live class, yeah, and that is fresh, right? But there. What is it said? What is it? Puram Ekadashadwaram. There it is 11 holes, it is said, right? 11 in Gita, 9 holes. Looks like, okay, another 2 holes here and maybe the navel, right? Ajasya Avakra Chetasaha. We have seen that it's fresh, I hope. Ajasya Avakra Chetasaha. So this Puram is Vakram, but that Purusha is not Vakra, right? It is the infinite, the consciousness, right? The Purusha, because he is indwelling, the indwelling consciousness, which is infinite, omniscient, omnipotent, omnipresent, right? So that is Purusha Suktam. We are going to do, as we said, Purusha Suktam is chanted, you must have seen immediately after Rudram also, right? We do for Abhishekams. So there is a Purva Anuvaka and the Uttara Anuvaka. Purva Anuvaka means up to verses 18. Some people skip after that, right? Let's see, up to which one? 18. After Abhyas Sambhuta, some people don't chant. So there is Uttara Anuvaka, but then as a convention, we'll do the full Purusha Sukta. And of course, I don't need to tell you the importance of it. As a Punyam, as they say, Namakam, what is it? Even this Rudram, Atyashrami Sarvada Sukrudbha Chapet. Even a sannyasi can chant Rudram, they say. Sannyasi is not supposed to chant any of this actually. The only chant is Om for him because he has left, right? He's not a Grihastha. But even a sannyasi can chant Rudram, they say, right? So, Yaha Shatarudriyam Adite So Agniputo Bhavati Surapanat Puto Bhavati. You're free from the sin of drinking, right? They say Krutakrutyat Puto Bhavati, from sin of omission, of committing omissions or commissions. So Narayana, this is Namakam. There is another saying, right? Namakam Chamakam Chaiva Paurusham Suktamevacha Nityam Trayam Prayunjana Brahmaloke Mahiyate. So this Namakam Chamakam Rudram, we'll see. If we survive these Suktams, we'll go to Rudram. Right? So Rudram and this Purusha Suktam every day, 3 times Prayunja Nityam Trayam Prayunjana, 3 times Brahmaloke Mahiyate. So these verses, these pramanas are there, which gives the importance of chanting. Okay. With that, shall we move to the Shanti Mantra? Okay. How we will do is, because if you chant, all of you chant together, after I chant the mantra, you repeat twice. But then since we are on Zoom, if all of you repeat together, it might not sound, I don't know how people, let's try that. But then so let's see, if I say the first verse, maybe one of you can do it. Let's try together once. Okay. Om Tachayora Vranimahe. Twice. Who will repeat? Let's, because Indivar is, let's try, he is already knows it, so let's try with Indivar because he's an expert. Right? One more thing. When you say touch, how did I say? Tachayora, I said, right? No, some people say Tacham Yora, but since there's a Yakara, the Anuswara, right? Tacham, Cham, there's a Yakara after that. Tachayora, Tachay, that little bit of a nasal. Tachayora, Tacham Yora is not uncommon, but then the more correct way of, I don't say more correct, but this is a proper way some people say. So we'll follow that convention. Om Tachayora Vranimahe. Louder. Who is doing it now? Let's hear in the one.
Okay, only the first line, right? Nice.
Yeah.
Om Tachayora Vranimahe. Om Tachayora Vranimahe.
Om Tachayora Vranimahe. Vranimahe. So, Vr Sarita, right? Om Tachayora Vranimahe.
Om Tachayora Vranimahe.
Gatum Yagnaya. Gatum
Yagnaya.
After on Gatum, Tum, after that Yakara is there, right? So Gatui Yagnaya. Gatui, little bit of again. So when there is a Yakara after the Anuswara, that is a convention. Okay? And Ga, there is a Anudatta. Gatui Yagnaya.
Yagnaya.
Varita. Gatum Yagnaya. All of you repeat twice. All of by yourself. You can, when I ask you to unmute, you can unmute and then chant twice. I will point out. Let's see Pranav. Pranav, do the first one. Like that. Tachayora Vranimahe.
Om Tachayora.
Don't say that. Listen to Ankur and then pronounce. Okay. If you want, ask Ankur to repeat.
Okay. Are you following English?
Yeah, we have English one. Okay. But I think, what I want him to do is like listen to the sound, memorize it, and then,
Okay, fine. Let's go. Okay, who will do it? Krishnanji?
To which one?
Krishnan will do it.
How others are doing.
Tachayora vrinimahe.
Tachayora vrinimahe.
Yes, vrinimahe. Ana. Ana is there, right? Ana.
Tachayora vrinimahe.
There is a difference between na and ana, right? So ana is the murdanya. Ana is murdanya. It has to come from here. Tachayora vrinimahe.
Tachayora vrinimahe. Gatum yajnaya.
Instead of tum, gati yajnaya, and then nya is a dirgha. Right? After that, after nya, gati yajnaya, it's a yajnaya, no, yajnaya.
Gatum yajnaya.
Gatum yajnaya.
Gatum yajnaya.
Instead of tum, gatui, little bit of a nasal has to be there. Gatui yajnaya.
Gatui yajnaya.
Yes.
Gatui
yajnapataye. Gatui yajnapataye. All of you chant twice, and then let's see. Kalyan will do twice.
Om Tachayora. Sorry.
Okay. Only do the last whatever I have repeated.
Okay. Gatum Yajnapataye.
Instead of tum, try to say. Many people, it's not uncommon, but after the anuswara there is a ya, right?
Yeah. Gatum Yajnapataye.
Ga lower swara. Gatum yajnapataye.
Gatum Yajnapataye.
Yes.
Gatum Yajnapataye.
Gatum yajnapataye.
Gatum Yajnapataye.
Let's do from the beginning. Tachayora vrinimahe. Hold on. Let's repeat the first one again. First. Tachayora vrinimahe.
Om Tachayora vrinimahe.
Gatum yajnaya. Gatum yajnapataye. Gatum yajnapataye. Pataye. Gatum yajnapataye. Okay. Prakashji, try it.
From first?
Yeah, you can try.
Yeah. Tachayora vrinimahe. Gatvai yajnaya. Gatvai yajnapataye.
Okay, close. Let's see Shanti ji. Shanti ji, you can see.
Om Tachayora vrinimahe. Gatum yajnaya. Gatum yajnapataye.
Gatum yajnapataye.
Gatum yajnapataye.
Instead of tum, there little bit of a nase. Gatum. Gatum.
Gatum
yajnapataye. Pataye.
Yajnapataye. Yajnapataye.
Venkatesh ji.
Om Tachayora vrinimahe. गात्वै यज्ञाय गात्वै यज्ञपतये.
Yeah. Who wants to next?
I will go next.
Shiva, do it.
Om
Sunita.
Om Tachayora Vrunimahe Gatu Yajnaya Gatum Yajnapataye.
Sunita, we'll do some corrections as we have to keep on repeating, of course. Okay, I'm just seeing how you pronounce it. Yeah. Sunita.
Om Tachayora Vrunimahe Gatu Yajnaya Gatum Yajnapataye.
Swara. Tachayora Vrunimahe. When you're learning, doesn't matter. Be loud, and then the Swarita comes. You can raise the sound for learning. That's okay. Right? Tachayora. Tachayora. No. See that. Yora. No swara. So it has to be flat. Tachayora Vrunimahe. Vrunimahe. Tachayora Vrunimahe. Gatum Yajnaya Gatum Yajnapataye. Let's move on. This is a Shanti mantra. Of course, we'll do this. But then, what is the time? 7:20. Okay. We said we'll do 10 more extra minutes today, right? So we haven't even come to actual Purusha Suktam. Suktam itself. Let's say. Daivi swastirastunaha. Daivi swastirastunaha. You keep repeating twice. You keep repeating for yourself. Daivi swastirastunaha. We'll do it. Kalyan, do it.
Om Tachayora.
Daivi, only Daivi.
Only Daivi, okay. Daivi swastirastunaha.
Yes.
Daivi swastirastunaha.
Daivi swastirastunaha. Swastirastunaha. Okay.
What happens to that visarga after V?
Visarga after?
V. So are we pronouncing that one? Daivi.
There is no visarga after. There is no visarga after.
Daivi.
Okay.
There is no visarga after Daivi.
Okay, so in the print that I'm referring to is okay, that's fine. Okay. Daivi swastirastunaha.
No visarga. Daivi. So Dirgha Swarita. Daivi
swastirastunaha.
Venkatesh, do it.
Daivi swastirastunaha.
Daivi swastirastunaha. Shall we move on? Maybe you can practice it. Maybe I think we are recording it, so I will give that. We'll move on to the next one. Swastirmanushebyah. Swastirmanushebyah. Swa Anudata. Swastirmanushebyah. Swastirmanushebyah. Shanti, you can repeat twice.
स्वस्तिर्मानुषेभ्यः स्वस्तिर्
carry on.
स्वस्तिर्मानुषेभ्यः
Swastirmanu Swastirmanu
स्वस्तिर्मानुषेभ्यः स्वस्तिर्मानुषेभ्यः
Nu is Swarita. Nu. Anu. Swastirmanu Swastirmanu Shebhyah flat. Swastirmanu Shebhyah.
स्वस्तिर्मानुषेभ्यः.
While learning, we love. Nu. Nu is Swarita. Who wants to try? Krishnanji, try it.
Yeah. Swastirmanushebyah. Swastirmanushebyah.
Anybody wants to try? Prakashji.
स्वस्तिर्मानुषेभ्यः स्वस्तिर्मानुषेभ्यः.
So the swaras again. Swa anudata. Swastirmanushebyah. Swastirmanushebyah. And then you take time shebyah because va and ya is samyukta vyanjana, right? Shebyah. Take a little bit of time and then shebyah. Swastirmanushebyah. Okay. Try it again.
Swastirmanushebyah.
Swastirmanushebyah. Now we should go up. Swarita, up, upper swara, right?
Yeah. Swastirmanushebyah. Swastirmanushebyah.
Correct. Shiva, you can try.
Daivihi
Swastirmanushebyah.
Swastirmanushebyah. Swastirmanushebyah.
Swastirmanushebyah. Like you practice. By practice. Next. Urdhvanjigatu beshajam. Let me repeat again. Urdhvanjigatu beshajam.
Urdhvam jigatu bheshajam.
So what?
Jigatu bheshajam.
On urdhvam, dvam, that this is the anuswara, right? Urdhvam. Instead of urdhvam, there is a G after that, right? G. And G is the Ja is which varga? Cha, cha, ja, ja, nya. Right? That anunas, that vyanjana should, that sound should come here. That will take over. Urdhvan, like urdhvan jig, urdhvam jigatu.
Urdhvam jigatu.
Instead of urdhvam, urdhvan jigatu beshajam. Instead of urdhvam, that anunasika should come. That nasal sound should come. Urdhvanji, urdhvanji, urdhvanji. The G is going up. Urdhvan, na. That nasal of that class should take over.
Urdhvam jigatu beshajam.
Beshajam, beshajam. Sha is going down. Beshajam, beshajam, beshajam. See that? Just okay. All of you just say this. Beshajam, beshajam. That's it. See it. Be is flat. Be. This is be. Okay. Ba 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 ba. Be shajam. Be shajam jam.
ऊर्ध्वं जिगातु भेषजम्
जिगातु ऊर्ध्वं जिगातु भेषजम्.
Like who is under who there is a Anudatta. Urdhvan jigatu
भेषजम्
Veshajam So many people Veshajam, there is a tendency to the Vesha is so that is called Shirakampi. Veshajam, right? Or even the sound also should not reduce. Vesha, no, not required. Veshajam, that's the lower swara, intonation only. Okay. Veshajam.
ऊर्ध्वं जिगातु भेषजम्.
Who wants to try? Shantiji, try it.
Urdhvam jigatu. No. Okay. sorry.
It's okay. Try it. So I said that G because of that Anuswara.
Na. Okay. Urdhvan jigatu bheshajam.
Jam.
Urdhvam jigatu bheshajam.
Yeah, of course, there's always scope for improvement. Practice. Sunita ji, try Sunita. Correct. There is a who is long. Who is long, correct. And then lower.
Jigatu bheshajam.
Again.
Urdhvan jigatu bheshajam.
G is going up. Urdhvan jigatu
bheshajam. Urdhvan jigatu bheshajam.
Yes. Who wants to try? Any volunteers?
I'll try.
Yes.
Urdhvan jigatu bheshajam. Urdhvan jigatu bheshajam.
Close. Yes. Almost there. Yes. Got it. Oh yeah. Pranav, try it.
Urdhvam jigatu bheshajam.
It's okay. It looked as if everything was flat. So which one should go down? Which one should go up here? Who should go down? Right? Urdhvan jigatu. Just say this. Urdhvanji. Say that. Just say Urdhvanji. That's it. Urdhvanji. Try it again. Twice.
Urdhvanji.
Urdhvanji gatu.
Urdhvanji.
Gatu is flat. Urdhvanji gatu.
Urdhvam jigatu. Urdhvam jigatu.
Urdhvan jigatu.
Urdhvam jigatu.
Instead of urdhvam, to put the nya, that nasal should come. Urdhvan.
Urdhvan jigatu.
G should go. Urdhvanji. Urdhvanji.
Urdhvanji.
Urdhvanji gatu.
Urdhvanji gatu.
Okay, try it.
Urdhvam jigatu bheshajam.
Bheshajam. Sha is going down. Lower swara. Bheshajam. Yes.
Bheshajam.
Yeah, good. So you're learning at a very young age. Your neurons will be fired. More alertness, right? So we are learning this for what? Chitta Shuddhi, Chitta Ekagrata. Chitta Ekagrata will improve. with this chanting? What's for us? Chitta Naischalyata we'll get, means the freedom from emotional upheaval. Chitta Naischalyata. All this phalam for this adrushta phalam for this chanting. Okay. Okay, let's see. Kalyan, you want to try? Urdhanjigat.
Yeah. Urdhanjigatu beshajam.
Yeah.
Urdhanjigatu beshajam.
Yes. Shanno astu dvipade. Shanno. Okay. Shanno astu dvipade. Are you trying? All of you should chant twice after I chant. Shanno astu dvipade. Dvipade. Let's see. Any volunteers for this?
I can. Shanno astu dvipade. Shanno astu dvipade.
Shanno astu dvipade.
It is not shamno, it is shanno. Shanno. Shan. That, because there is a nakara after the anuswara, it will be na, right?
Shanno astu dvipade.
Shanno astu dvipade.
Shanno astu dvipade.
Astu dvi dvipade. Astu dvipade. Shanno astu dvipade.
Astu dvipade.
Yeah. Prakash ji, try it.
Shanno astu dvipade.
Take time, take your time. Should not hurry. Cool, okay. Slow.
Shanno astu dvipade.
No is dirgha. So take two. You see, right? 2 units of time you have to take. No. Shanno
astu.
It is not shanno. Should not run. Shanno astu. No. Shanno astu dvipade.
Shanno astu dvipade.
Dvipade. Dvipade. Pade. Okay, try this. Just say this. Pade.
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 Only Prakash ji, wait. Pade.
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 Getting close. Dvipade.
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 Shanno astu dvipade.
Shanno astu dvipade.
Any volunteers?
Astu dvipade.
Pranav, do it.
Shanno astu dvipade.
Yeah. So maybe are you learning music?
Yes.
So you're saying dvipade. Like which raga is that?
No, he is learning Western music.
So earlier you have seen the dosha defect, right? It is not Geeti. You not sing. Okay. Good. Okay, Hamsika is learning music, I think.
Yeah, Hamsika is learning classical. Pranav is learning Western vocal.
Okay. Try it again. Shamno, not sham. It is shanno. Shanno.
Shanno astu dvipade.
Astu dvi Astu dvi. Astu dvi. Astu dvi dvi.
Astu dvi.
Astu dvipade.
Astu dvipade.
Dvipade. Two legs. Dvipada means two legs. Let there be auspiciousness. Shanno astu dvipade.
Shamno astu dvipade.
Not shanno. Shanno astu. Okay. Who wants to try? Practice.
I'll try.
They will practice.
I'll try once.
Yes.
Sanno astu vipade. Sanno astu vipade.
Vipade.
It's DVI, no? Vipade.
Dvi. Okay. Two legs.
Sanno astu vipade.
We humans.
Sanno astu vipade.
Okay.
Will improve.
Yeah. Practice again. After this, tomorrow, before we meet on Saturday, at least maybe 10 times, 20 times you should have done. Since we didn't move further today, we didn't get to see actual sukta. Saraswati didn't come yet. It's only 7:40. Let's finish this at least. Shan chatushna. Shanno astu dvipade. Shan chatushpade. Shan chatushpade. Shan chatushpade. Shan chatushpa. Cha ja ja na, right? After anuswara, sham is anuswara. Sham. After that, cha is there. So that na should take over. Shan chatushpade. Chatushpade.
Shan chatushpade.
Shan chatushpade. Okay. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Repeat twice.
Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.
Okay. Can somebody repeat twice? Krishnaji, you do it.
From the beginning?
No, just Shanti. How I chant it.
Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.
After it.
Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.
Yeah, correct. Shantish, because after the visarga there is a shakara. Shantish Shantish Shanti. Because after the visarga shakara is there, that sound it will take over. Shantish Shanti. We don't say Shantihi Shantihi. Shanti, not saying, right? Shanti, Shanti. The last Shanti is ending with a visarga that you pronounce. Shanti, Shanti. Okay, let's do this, just the whole thing, and then we can end it for today. It's already 7:40. Om Tachayora Vrinimahe Gatum Yajnaya Gatum Yajnapataye Daivi Swastirasuraha Swastirmanushebhyah Utvanjigatu Beshajam Shanno Astu Vipade Shanchatushpade Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. So this is it. There's three Shantis before the studies begin. They do to ward off the Tapatrayam, we call it, right? The three disturbances, Tapatrayam, the three tapas, Adidayika, Adibhautika and Adhyatmika tapas, to ward them off. Tachayora Avruneemahe. We worship Avruneemahe. Tacham, that is a sandhi. See, you have seen sun, that sandhi rule. Tachay, Tat Sham. It is Tat is that Bhagavan, of course. Right? Om Tat Sat designation. You have seen Gita, right? So Tat, that Bhagavan. Sham. We are praying for his auspiciousness. Yeah, for us. Gatui Yagnaya. For this, doing this Yagna. For the purpose of this Yagna. Gatui. We pray Yagnapataye for this Yagnapati, for the Yajaman. Daivi, let the gods. Swastirastuna. Let them be. Let them. It was auspiciousness. Swastirastuna. Swastir Manushebhya. Let there be peace, auspiciousness for the humans. Urdvan Jigatu Beshajam. Let the medicinal plants, let them grow. But we need it now, right? More than any time. We need that medicine now. Everybody is waiting for the medicine. Urdvan Jigatu. Let it grow up to, let it grow up. Beshajam, these medicinal plants. Shanno Astu Dvipade. Let there be peace, auspiciousness from the two-legged, for them to the two-legged ones, and Chatushpade, the four-legged ones. Sham Chatushpade. Oh, peace. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. I thought we'll do at least one Anuvak of. Shall we do? Can we? Is everybody okay with 5 more minutes?
Yep. No, in 5 minutes we can't complete one Anvaka.
We can't, but at least I want to Sastra Shirsha today. At least since we started. Okay. Shall we do that?
Yeah, we can do Sastra Shirsha.
Let's do it.
Sahasra Shirsha Purusha. Okay, listen again. Many people say Sahasra Shirsha, but then it is again this Swamiji many years. Okay, we learned this many years back when we were Yuva Kendra. I don't know about Hindi word until Swami Prakash Govind Chaitanya started, and maybe that almost 30 years ago. Gratitude.
Yeah. Yeah, I did not learn from him. Yeah, so I think that
30 years.
that small fine tuning. Yeah.
Yes. Okay. Shirsha. Shirsha. It's not here, but many Shirsha. Many people say it's Sahasra Shirsha Purusha. Sahasra Shirsha Purusha. Right? Sahasra Shirsha Purusha.
Sahasra Shirsha Purusha.
Who wants to? Any volunteers?
Sahasra Sirsha Purusha. Sahasra Sirsha Purusha.
Yeah. Sa is going on. Sahasra Shirsha Purusha. Sahasra Shirsha
Purusha. Sahasra Shirsha Purusha.
Instead of Shirsha, Shirsha. Sahasra Shirsha Purusha. Even I used to say Shirsha.
Om Sahasra Shirsha Purusha.
Om you can skip because already we have invoked Om already. Start with Sahasra.
Shirsha Purusha.
Sahasra.
Shirsha
Sahasra.
Sahasra Shirsha
Purusha.
Purusha. Purusha. Sahasra Shirsha Purusha.
Sahasra Shirsha Purusha.
Instead of Shirsha, Sahasra Shirsha Shirsha, sha down. Sahasra Shirsha Purushah.
Shirša Purushaha.
Who wants to try? Sunita ji, try. Twice.
Sahasrashirsha Purushah.
Purushah, Purushah, Puru. Sahasra.
Sahasrashirsha Purushah. Sahasrashirsha Purushah.
So practice. Now I will see the recording. I'll send it. So try it. Keep on loudly. Let Shanti try it. Even let Srinivas get disturbed or anybody. Loudly. Okay. Learning loudly you chant. And doesn't matter when there's this Svarita, you can increase the learning, right? It's okay. Sahasra, right? Sahasra, Sra is going. Sahasra Shirsha Purushah, Sahasraksha Sahasrapat. See, in the next one, we will not do it. We'll just let it go. Sahasra. See, 3 consecutive lower swaras, right? Anudatta. Sahasraksha Sahasrapat. Should go down. The last one should further go down. Sahasraksha Sahasraksha Sahasrapat.
Sahasraksha Sahasrapad.
Take time in Ksha. Sahasraksha Sahasraksha. Ksha, that after Sra there is Sahasrak. Take a little bit of time. Sahasraksha. It is that is Sama. If you have seen, right, that rule, Sama. That's Sama. Sahasraksha Sahasrapat. Sabumum Vishvato Vritva. Sabumum Vishvato. Did you notice I'm saying Sabumim? I'm not saying, right? Sabumim. That V is there. So little bit of a nasal again. Sabumim Vishvato Vritva. Sabumim Vishvato Vritva. That's all. Practice. Okay, I think we'll 7:50. I think we should have it for 1.5 hours then. I think 1 hour, I don't think it, because once we get the hang of it, this for us, then we can move fast. Yeah, that's what I felt. We should have 1.5 hours. Is it okay? 1.5 hours, everybody?
Yeah, I'm okay.
Yeah, Shekhar, initially, some 4 or 5 classes, it can be 1.5 hours, but after that, we can do it in 1 hour.
Correct.
Once
correct.
you get, as you said, once you get those swaras and all,
yeah,
keep running. That's it.
That's right. That's right.
We have to memorize.
Correct.
It's all lot of undoing now, a lot of unlearning, because we've been chanting it so far for so many years that we know. But once you ask us to chant by letter, then again we get confused.
Yeah, many people chant, but then the mistakes, they're used to mistakes also, many people. Okay. So they chant fast. So while learning, let's go slow.
The initial,
letter by letter. Each letter has to be pronounced.
All these basics and fundamentals are strong.
Yeah.
For you, it was Prakash Bhaiya. For me, it was Govind Chaitanya.
And then now it is Chidrupa.
It's Chidrupa. I never got a chance to learn from Chidrupananji. You know.
By the way, for those who don't know, Chidrupanandaji is the Swamiji, is Acharya of Noida Chinmaya Mission.
He's the same person, Prakash Bhaiya, Govind Chaitanya, Chidrupanji. I'm just telling it various stages where we learned.
Okay. So, meaning, we don't have time, we'll see. Some meaning also. It's very important. As we said, if you don't know the meaning, what is the use? But without meaning also, if you just chant, it's great punyam, as we said. But the meaning is important. We'll see some notes from Gurudev. Saturday, 10:30, right?
Yep. Saturday morning.
Any questions? Any comments? Anybody?
I was asking if it was 10 or 10:30. 10 to 11 or 10:30 to 11:30?
10:30 is better.
Yeah, 10:30.
Even 11 is also fine, but yeah.
10:30 is okay for everybody?
The later the better.
10:30 is
11 is better.
Because if we are going for 1.5 hours, it will be lunch.
I got support from Pranav.
Pranav has a piano class, so 10:30 to 11.
Because I have another class.
I mean, it might be a little bit delayed. Like it might be like 10 or 10:20.
What time is your piano class? 10 to 10:30 or 10:30 to 11? No.
It can be
Tell me what time is your piano class?
10:30 to 11:10.
That is your piano class time?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Oh.
Nobody has a sleeping class, right?
Anyway, Saturday, then how? Maybe you have to practice on your own, seeing the audience. 10:30 is what we fixed earlier, right? Let's do Shanti Mantra. Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah. Sarve Santu Niramayah. Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu. Kaschit Dukkha Bhag Bhavet. Asato Ma Sadgamaya. Tamaso Jyotirgamaya. Mrityurma Amrutangamaya. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnamudachyate. Tasya Purnamādāya Purnamevāvashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. And I have noticed many people in the mission say Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat. No, there is no Dirgha Swarita on Purnat. Many our Yuvakendra members have seen in the assembly. I don't know. They must have fixed these mistakes. They continue. It's just Purna, Ana, Purna. There is a Anudat actually under Ana. No Purna. It is not singing. These are not Geeti. Okay. Okay. Hari Om Tat Sat. If there are any mistakes, let the Lord forgive. Tat Sat. Om Tat Sat. It will remove all the mistakes that we have made. Okay. Hari Om Tat Sat.
Hari Om, Hari Om.
Hari Om.
Hari Om.